Sorry guys, it's Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio up here. This time we're demonstrating a radio out of an AMC, 1970 AMC AMX. Customer wants the FM conversion, wired to the original connectors, which means there's only one speaker output, so this will be a really quick test. There's no balance or fader function, so I've got it set to AM at the moment. Let's turn it on.
It turned out to be a very good player.
You'll only get the right rear speaker
before they made it. So here we go.
Okay, so let's go to FM. Off on. Now we're on FM. I have all 5 presets set to FM stations in my area. Okay, and that's it. That's all it is to test, is make sure the AM and FM work and that it produces sound out of one speaker. So that's a pretty short and quick test. So on that note, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio up here. And if you'd like to do business, the first step is to visit my website, not to call me with a bunch of questions. You visit my website first, and then if you still have questions after visiting my website and reading my work order, then I'm happy to talk to you. Thanks so much for watching and listening, guys. And thank you, Roger, for your business all the way from Cape Coral, Florida. Pretty cool stuff. I'm nationwide. Thanks for watching and listening, guys.